All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. One last video for the end of the year. And every year I make a end of the year video going over my goals from the beginning of the year. So this is the video going over my 2023 goals. Tomorrow I'll make a 2024 goals. But anyways, Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys all have a safe, Happy New Year's, safe New Year's. And I hopefully you guys accomplish everything that you guys put your mind to. So let me know some of your goals that you guys have for 2024. But right now, I'm going to be going over my 2023 goals, let you know how I did. Did I smash them? Did I utterly fail? We're going to go over all those right now. So the first goal for 2023 was to get my Corvette. And as you can tell in the garage, we got that. So that was a big checklist item right there. And then secondly was to road trip the whole USA in it. We smashed that, hit our 10,000 miles in the first 113 days or so. So got my road trip in, 10,000 miles, hit like 30 states again, East Coast back to West Coast. So that was awesome. Meet my Instagram friends. On my road trip, I met a whole bunch of people, met up with some older friends from Xbox, met up with Paige, met up with a whole bunch of people at Nika, a whole bunch of content creators, Jeff the 360 electrician, Spartan Hero, K Sparky, Alexi, just tons and tons of people. And then next was not to get a haircut. So as you can tell, at the beginning of the year I had a buzz cut, and this is where we're at. For about a year. I usually get about 6 inches a year, so we'll be going with another no haircut challenge next year, and my hair should be about down to here next year, so that's where we're at with that. I'm pretty sure this was on the list to brush my teeth every day, and obviously I missed some days on that because it's pretty easy just to be super tired at the end of the night and then just hop in bed and not brush your teeth. So gonna be doing better brushing my teeth in 2024. Next goal was to get no new credit cards for 2023, and I forgot about this goal, and I just got 2 new credit cards like a month or 2 ago. I think it was the end of November or beginning of December, so just missed that one, but I was doing really good. And my next goal was to save $35,000, and I'm pretty sure I hit this one. I know I added up the calculations because I didn't really do a good job of keeping track of this. But I know I got at least 34,000, and I spent a bunch of money, so I'm pretty sure I hit that. But if not, it was really, really close. And then the next goal was to hit $100,000 at work, and I just barely scraped by on that one. I did take a month off for my road trip, so that was kind of impactful on that. But I still got it, working overtime for the last, I don't know how many months, 2 or 3 months. I wanted to hit that, so I was working overtime. I just hit that goal with about $107,000 on the year at work. That's obviously gross, not net. But we'll be going over that very shortly of how much money I made in 2023, so stay tuned for that. I wanted to read the entire Bible, did not get through that very much at all, so that will be another goal in 2024. I wanted to hit 30,000 subscribers on YouTube, did not hit that, just barely scraping by on the 20,000, but we're getting close to 21,000, so that's good. I usually get about 5,000 a year or so. Have to wait for the future to pop off on that for the exponential growth, but right now it's about 5,000 a year, and it's holding steady, so I'm pretty happy with that. I wanted to hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. Really got about 500, so that was a big fail. Really got to learn the secrets on that, so some people got to teach me how to Instagram. So the next goal, I wanted to hit $700 a month on YouTube from ad revenue, and I just hit $600, so that's still a big win to me because I've been about $450 to $550 mostly per month from YouTube ad revenue, but we hit 600, so that was really exciting, but not 700, so that'll probably be another goal in 2024. And then lastly, I wanted to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube for my daily finances channel, and 1,000 on Instagram for my daily finances. And both of those got like 78 followers, so That was my bad. I let myself down on that. Didn't really make any content or videos really. That died off, but I'll be bringing those channels back or that content back in 2024, going over my debt-free journey in 2024. So stay tuned on YouTube at Daily Finances, and more Instagram content pretty much weekly. But I'm going to try to do at least weekly videos and content posts on Daily Finances on YouTube and Instagram. So if you guys want to follow my debt-free journey, I'm going to be trying to get debt-free in 2024. So right now I owe like $97,000 between everything, credit cards, my house, my car's paid for. But anyways, I got $97,000 in debt, and I'm going to try to be smashing that. That's going to be one of my goals that you'll see here tomorrow, is to be debt-free at the end of 2024. So I think I can honestly achieve that. Like I said, $97,000 this year. I made about $90,000 net, so I think that's definitely doable with my $6,500 raise coming up here tomorrow. So I think I can do that. So I'm gonna try really hard to not spend as much money and just save as much as I can. But anyways, those are my 2023 goals and the results. So I feel like I did pretty good on most of them. Some of them I utterly failed, and some of them I got really close. So let me know what you guys think of my outcome here. Let me know if you think I did a good job, but I think I did pretty good. Let me know some of your 2024 goals today or tomorrow in this video or the next video's comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys, like I said, all have a great new year and accomplish great things. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.